No hay camino ni sendero al que temer, si están mis compañeros en el mismo rumbo, porque en este largo caminar tenemos una montaña que conquistar. Solo es cuestión de querer, tener en las manos el mundo, cambiar la manera de ser, de ver con optimismo el futuro, que lo que fue ayer es hoy el pasado, que la palabra un día se borre del vocabulario. Futura maestra, que buscas tu camino, te digo estas palabras sobre tu destino. Tú haces el camino al andar. Deja el pasado atrás como tus huellas al caminar. Y sigue adelante, adelante sin parar, mirando la cima que tú has de llegar.
Hey y'all, do you guys know where this class is? It's Enfoques de
¿Enfoques de aprendizaje bilingüe en las aulas?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, okay, that's where we're going to.
Great.
Ándale, vente, ya vamos tarde. Es extremadamente importante que como maestros bilingües trabajemos, buenos días, con los padres de familia en la comunidad. ¿Y quién me puede dar un ejemplo de cómo podemos trabajar con los padres en la comunidad?
Formar grupos o juntarse con la familia.
Excelente, para trabajar con los padres de familia en la comunidad. ¿Les sucede algo?
I just need to find the restroom.
Ok, ahora vamos a hablar acerca de la tarea.
The ALPS program stands for Assessment of Language Proficiency in Spanish, and it is designed to determine your Spanish language skills, listening, speaking, reading, and writing, to see what, if any, Spanish language development skills you may need. In order to be a successful bilingual teacher, you must hone your Spanish enough to do well during the UTSA teacher preparation classes and ultimately in the classroom when you are hired to work with bilingual children. Unless you are a native speaker of Spanish or you have had university work in a Latin American country, many students will need to augment their Spanish language development skills as they prepare to become certified bilingual teachers. A strong level of academic Spanish has always been an integral part of the bilingual teacher preparation program at UTSA. Now, let's see how one student is preparing to take the exam that gets you into ALPS.
Let me see. Curriculum. Adriana, what's the Spanish word for curriculum and why aren't you studying for this test?
The word is programa de estudio. ¿Y estás estudiando con un diccionario?
I'm trying to cram for that ALPS test and it's got me super worried.
Ay, Dios mío, that dictionary is not going to help you with a test. It's not just about simple translations.
It's not? Then what is it?
This test measures where your Spanish level is right now. It's like going to get a checkup at the doctor's office. You can't fake your health. It's who you are at the time of the checkup.
I get it, so it's like a comprehensive diagnostic.
Exactly.
ALPS is not just one exam, it is a program to help you improve your Spanish as you work towards your bilingual teacher certification. It does not mean that if you do not do well, you'll never be a bilingual teacher. Instead, it means there's work to be done. As mentioned, the test is an assessment to determine your level of proficiency in Spanish language, reading, listening, and writing. The best way to prepare for this test is to relax and get excited about starting the program based on your assessment. Some students may be required to take a language module, some may need classes in Upper Division Spanish, while others may need a summer language course in Mexico. All of this depends on the results of your individual test. The recommendations are intended for you to become prepared enough to take advanced UTSA classes taught solely in Spanish, and ultimately to teach bilingual education once you become certified. This is laying a foundation of Spanish proficiency for the rest of your life. So once you know you want to be a bilingual teacher, sign up for the ALPS test. It's never too early. Go online or contact the Bilingual Certification Office. Y nos vemos arriba de la cima.